Hey there! Today I'm diving into a topic that might seem a bit dry, but is super important if you ever find yourself in this situation. Yep, I'm talking about check bounce issues in Pakistan. Stick around and I'll walk you through the entire process, from understanding the law to finding remedies. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is a check bounce? Simply put, it's when a check you've written or received cannot be processed by the bank and is returned. This can happen for several reasons, such as insufficient funds, a mismatch in signature, or even an expired check. But whatever the reason, it's crucial to know your rights and the legal recourses available. In Pakistan, check bounce cases are primarily governed by Section 489F of the Pakistan Penal Code. This section specifically deals with the dishonoring of checks and lays out the penalties. According to this section, anyone who knowingly issues a check that is dishonored can face serious consequences. This includes imprisonment up to 3 years, a fine, or both. So as you can see, it's not something to take lightly. Now, what should you do if you find yourself on the receiving end of a bounced check? The first step is to issue a formal notice to the issuer of the check demanding payment. This notice should ideally be sent within 30 days of receiving the bounced check. The issuer then has 15 days to make good on the payment. If they fail to do so, you can proceed with legal action. To file a complaint, you'll need to go to the relevant police station and lodge an FIR, First Information Report. Make sure you take along the bounced check, the bank memo, and a copy of the notice you issued. The police will investigate, and if a case is made, it will be forwarded to the court. Now, let's talk about bail. If you're the one who issued the check and it bounced, you might be worried about immediate arrest. Good news is, bail is possible. Typically, you can apply for pre-arrest bail to avoid being taken into custody. If granted, it can provide you some breathing room to settle the matter out of court if possible. Once a case reaches court, it can take some time to resolve. Both parties will present their evidence and the judge will make a ruling. If you're found guilty, you may face the penalties mentioned earlier. But remember, the court also has the discretion to impose a fine instead of imprisonment, depending on the circumstances. So what's the takeaway here? If you're issuing a check, be absolutely sure there are sufficient funds and that all details are accurate. And if you receive a bounced check, act quickly and follow the legal procedures. All right, that wraps up today's deep dive into check bounce issues in Pakistan. Hopefully, you found this information useful and now feel a bit more prepared to handle such situations if they arise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Catch you next time.